Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be taking apart this lightsaber that I showed you in the previous video. Obviously, orange. Alright, so we're gonna go step by step with, it comes with a bag, you can do this yourself. So, just step one, make sure that you have this, I forgot what you call them, but whatever the heck it is. So make sure you have that. So what you're gonna do, you see these three things? You're gonna put your thing in them. That sounds so much more weird than I thought it would. Right. Anyways, so you know lefty loosey, it's the opposite of the clock. Alright, so let's do this. Right. I am gonna take them apart and you guys will sit still. Alright, so I've got two out. The last one, don't bother taking out because you can still easily pull this thing out. It's just, I don't even know why it's there. Just maybe it looks better. Alright, so all you have to do, slide it out. Now all you have is this. It's a flashlight. So it's pretty cool because it kind of looks like the Star Wars. So tell me this looks cool. Alright, so I'm test the TV, about to turn it on. Never mind, that did not go fine. But anyways, I'm also going to take apart the bottom, which you obviously can. So here's a speaker, and I'm also going to take apart these two screws. So this has a speaker and everything. Alright, here we go. Okay. Alright. So this one comes out. I don't even know what this thing is, what effect this will have, but I don't know. I've never done this before. This is just a testing video to see what is inside the YDD saber, alright? So, while you guys are bored seeing me do this, you can fast forward probably a couple seconds, but alright. Oh, so this bottom screw holds in the speaker. Freaking God. Alright, I don't think this bottom, oh, never mind. This one came out. Alright, so all that really does, I don't know if anything comes out. Oh, that did not go right as planned. Alright, so basically these things just go in or something. Alright, so, and this is what is inside this, and I'm actually going to be, let me put this back together. Alright, let me pause you guys. Actually, no. So it comes out like this. It has a little thing in here, and here's a speaker, obviously. You can press it in and stuff. So this is pretty cool. I got a good deal on this. So obviously this is a charging port, and yeah, I'm going to put this back together. Alright, so I've gotten this back together. So this is a thick sheet of plastic so it doesn't get dented. So I've been battling my brother. I don't think you can really see it. Has a few scrapes, but it's doing good. And the top, obviously. Alright, so screw this back in will be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, so I'm going to leave this to the side for now, and I'm going to go get a crappy lightsaber and see if I can take that apart. Alright, I've got this one. I'm not sure if you can unscrew this. Oh, it has a few unscrews. So, I'm going to go get a regular screwdriver. I'll be right. So, I've got this screwdriver. I'm pretty sure it might come out if I unscrew these. So, let's go. By the way, to be honest, this is kind of cool taking apart the lightsabers. So this one, I think I got it at Target or something for like, I don't know, probably like 30 bucks. It's kind of a waste of money, but it was just good to check out. Alright, so that one unscrewed, but that did nothing. I'll try these. Oh, this doesn't even fit in. Alright, let's do some science. Alright. I'm gonna try and break it. Do not try this at home. Alright, it broke. Dang it, this thing. Alright, my dad's gonna be so mad at me. But I'm not gonna use a knife because I'm not allowed to, but oh shoot. This thing is no use. Oh, I found the battery pack. No, that's just the battery pack. Well, sorry peeps, I didn't get to open this one. Oh, I just heard a pop. That's bad for the saber, but good for me. There should be something else to take this out. I want to see if it looks any different. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get a smaller screwdriver to take it apart. Alright, I got an electric screwdriver, but this will only be able to take out the battery pack. The battery pack is stripped. Jesus Christ. Oh, whatever. Alright, sorry guys, I'm gonna have to throw this thing in the trash. Alright. Sorry, man. I'm gonna have to hide it deep in the trash can so my dad can't find out. There we go. Get in there. Oh god, this is disgusting. Jesus. Oh my god, of course my dad's vacuumed. Alright, that part is hidden. He won't notice. Alright, thanks for watching.